How to shop on Taobao. Let's get started. First, launch your Taobao app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, you're going to find different items. Now hit towards the item that you want to purchase. Or in case you are searching for a specific product, you can search for it. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the product name and search for it. After product appears, click on it. Now select the details for it, size, likewise color, and then add it to the cart. Or in case you want to buy the product instantly, you can click on the option of buy now. For this guide, I'm going to add the item to the cart. Once you are done with selecting the items, you can head towards the cart section. For that, click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. In this page, you're going to find the list of the products that you have selected to purchase. Now you can check in for the items that you want to purchase and click on checkout. Now provide your shipping method, likewise your delivery details. Then go ahead and select your payment method and then confirm your order. So this is how you can easily shop on Taobao. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.